Welcome everyone to my project for Project Zero of CS50's web programming. Now, CS50 told us to make a front end for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search with some specifications. So in this video, I'm going to go over my project and its features that met their respective specification one by one. The first one, my website has 3 pages. The regular Google search, which is in index.html, the Google image search, which is in image.html, and the Google advanced search, which is in advanced.html. On the Google search page, there are links that go on the upper right of the page that go to the image search and advanced search, and on these 2 pages there is a link on the upper right to go to the regular Google search, to go back to the regular Google search page. On the Google search page, the user is able to type in a query. Let's try Harvard. Click on the Google search button and they will be taken to the Google search results for that page. Pardon my slow internet, and there you go, Harvard. Like Google's own, the search bar is centered and has rounded corners. The search buttons are also centered and located beneath the search bar. On the Google image search page, the user is able to type in a query. Let's try it with Harvard again. Click on the image search button and they will be taken to the Google image search results for that page. Once again, please pardon my slow internet. And wait a minute, there you go, Harvard University. Let's go back, and on the Google Advanced Search page, the user is able to provide input for the following 4 fields. Find pages with all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. The Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options are stacked vertically and all of the text fields are left aligned. The advanced search button is blue with white text. When it's clicked, the user will be taken to the search results page for their given query. Let's try it out. Click on the advanced search button and there you go. The given queries will turn out like this on the actual Google search. And on the regular Google search, there is an I'm feeling lucky button that if clicked, the users will be taken directly to the first result for the query, to the first Google search result of the query, bypassing the normal results page. Let's try with Harvard again. And click on the I'm feeling lucky button and see. Now we will encounter a redirect notice, but this is actually fine because this is an expected result because of a security implementation by Google. And finally, the CSS of my website should resemble Google's own aesthetic, and I believe this already resembles Google's own aesthetics enough. As you can see, there is the Google logo and the search bar, which is centered and has rounded corners and has shadows when you hover over it. The search bars are also centered and it has a bit of rounded corners, and it also has shadows when you hover over them. And on the Google image search, there is a text that says images, also the centered search bar and search button. And on the advanced search, there's a red text title with the color red, and then a horizontal line and all these aligned text fields and the blue advanced search button. And on a whole, the font that is used is the Roboto font. So I believe this website aesthetic already resembles Google's own aesthetic enough. And so that is all. Thank you for watching.